This is the fourth segment in the Modern Spartan series. In the first video, I used the carbon destroyer and the accuracy oil to clean this Glock. It had been cleaned before and lubricated with Otis CLP. What appeared to be clean still had some carbon residue in it, and we took that out and oiled the gun. Then I took it to the range and we did a break-in procedure to treat the barrel of the gun as they recommended. Then I used the remainder of 50 rounds and run through the Glock. Now today we're going to see if it's easier to clean after it's been treated this way. As everyone can see, this Glock is clear. Now we're going to see how much buildup we have in everything. And the first thing I always do is just take a little rag to wipe it off. And you can see that's coming off already. And I have the accuracy grease in here too. I really like that product. So get it kind of dried off here, and then we'll run a brush over it. Okay, now we're fixing to get to work on this, see what we've got. See, it's coming off good. Yeah, you can see it's clean right there. I'm going to do the same thing with the barrel. On the outside. And this isn't too bad here. So what we're going to do now is run this down through the barrel. So that's come out. Turn it over, use a clean part of a patch. Now we'll see. And I believe you can see it's awful clean right there, just a tad on it. More time should get it. I'm satisfied with it. Now we're going to work on the slide. Excuse me. Oh yeah, you can see it's all kind of stuff coming off now. One thing to remember, don't get any cleaner or oil down in your striker pan. I can believe everyone can see that this is pretty clean. And before I forget, I'm gonna run the brush down here too, and then run the patch back through it. I think we're in good shape here. Now we're gonna lubricate this. And one thing I like to do on the Glocks, push this pin out, then you pull this up, and it's easier to get to your sear and everything. Take the accuracy oil, drop just a little bit down in there, push that back. Pin on that one. Now we're going to put a little bit on the rails. And I like to put just a little bit here too. And then we're going to treat the barrel. And we're going to put just a little down in here on each side. And I like this accuracy grease. I'll take just a little bit of this, put it down here for the slide, put a little on the side before I put it back together. Oh, and one other thing. I like to put just a tad right there. Everyone can see back. Accuracy oil and the cleaners work great. And before I forget, This weapon light had been treated with the crystal clear before I took it to the range. I'm going to show everyone. There's not any carbon buildup on the light lens at all. Now we're going to have a few final words on this. I believe everyone can see by these rags and patches, this did an excellent job of cleaning this up. And actually it was faster than what I've done in the past with the hose. This will reduce friction up to 90%. I don't have any way to measure all that. I'm not one of these about a lot of statistics, but they have plenty on their website. Well worth getting one of these. Like and subscribe. Don't forget there's a Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. And there'll be a link to the Modern Spartan Systems website below with a 10% discount. Thank you.